guys, today I want to tell you, if you want to separate the data of a single column into two different columns, then how to do it. For example, let us suppose that you have the name of these students. Okay, these are the names of the students, and you want to separate the name and the surname. Okay, so how will you separate these names? So how to do it now? How to do it? Let's do it. So for example, if you want to separate these names, then how will you do this? So for example, you select this column, and after that you go to data, and in data go to text two columns. Okay, in text two columns you have here two options. One is delimited, and second one is fixed width. Okay, so we will go to delimited. Okay, so what it does in delimited, that it uses computer uses some characters like comma or tab or some kind of space, which help it to recognize from where to separate the data. Okay, so we will select this one, and next we will go here, and now here you can see that there is space between the name and the surname. So we will what we will do is we will select space here. Okay, and then we will go to next. Okay, now it is showing how it will separate all of them. Okay, and now here it is showing, do you want to replace the content of the destination cells? Yeah, okay. So now you can see here that the name and the surname, they are separated. Okay, now if you can see here that if the separation was at two different places, it is making three different columns for it. Okay, so in this way you can very easily do the task. Now there is one more thing here, that it was asking that do you want to replace the data, the old data has been replaced. Now you just go back, undo it, and once again we will do it. You select this one, then what you do is you go to text two columns, then again here delimited, next space, and next finish. Okay, so do you want to replace the content of the destination cells? No. Okay, so what you have to do here is that first you have to make here three different columns. Okay, so that the data may not get replaced, this data you don't want to lose. Okay, so you have to make three different columns, and now you do it. Select this one, then here next, again same, all these steps will remain same, and finish. Okay, okay, so your this data has also remained as it is, and all these are separated. So this is how you will do it. Now there is one more thing here, is that sometimes there is no space, no comma is there. Okay, so if there is no space, no comma is there, like for example here you can see that in this data, you can see in this column that there is no space, nothing is there. Okay, if there is nothing, then how you will do this, how you will separate? So here you select this one, then text to column, and then again delimited, then next, and go to other. Okay, for example, let us suppose that you want to you want the separation from A. Okay, you write here A. Okay, and then go to next. Okay, and then English. So now here what it will do is, here you have done one mistake, that A was here. A I have written, which is A here is capital, okay, and I did not use the capital A, so it has not taken it. So now what I will do, I will again select it, text to column, and then again the same stack, delimited, then next, and then I will use A, and this time I will use capital A. Okay, so then I will do like this, and then okay, so you can see here from A the data has been separated. Okay, so this is the way how you can separate the data of one column into two. Okay, thank you so much.